Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 15th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the US dollar CAD monthly, I still think this needs to go down and make a wave C of wave B before it actually does make a bigger push to the upside. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, on the weekly time frame, I'm definitely looking at this as 5 waves down for wave A. I think this is an A, B, C of B, and I think that we do need to go down for a nice downtrend for a wave C of wave B, probably taking out the low of this wave 4. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, ever since we got a breaker structure to the downside, I think last week it was, I have been looking for shorts on shorter time frames. If we get a breaker structure to the upside, I'll stop looking for shorts, but so far the trend is definitely down on the daily, and if this is the end of a wave C, then it will likely just keep on trending down, making them lower lows and lower highs. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, it is definitely trending down. My most recent structure level I think needs to be right here. You could possibly say it's right here because it did make a new low there, but for me, unless it goes up and breaks structure like that, I am definitely only looking to sell. We're not at a Fibonacci level, so we don't really have to worry about a Fibonacci bounce. Maybe it will go up a little, but even if it does go up a little, for me that's great news because I am definitely going to continue to look for shorts at the end of every single pullback I see. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, there definitely has been some pretty nice little sorting opportunities over the last couple of weeks, as you can see. The US dollar pairs have really, all the Forex pairs, honestly, have been pretty slow because it is August. But I definitely am still looking for shorts. I'm not going to go long unless it breaks structure to the upside. I'm only looking for shorts, and I'm only looking to go short at the end of every single pullback I see. The trend is your friend, and the daily time frame and up is definitely in a downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.